Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently working on a MiG-31 from Zvezda in 70-second scale, and the build was progressing a little slowly. So I thought in the interim, while things are taking their own time, I thought I'll work on something that is quick and easy to assemble and build. And so I thought I'll also let you guys have a first look at this new kit that I recently purchased. This is the ICM 148 scale US pilots and ground crew personnel from the Vietnam War kit. This year ICM and Zvezda have really upped their game a lot, and I see a lot of excellent fitting kits, especially the Su-30 and even the MiG-31 that I'm currently working on. Very nicely made kits, hardly any filler required, perfect fit. So it's really a pleasure to build those kits. So now another one of the reasons why I bought this kit was actually because I painted a lot of 70-second scale pilots, and there they are. You see a lot of them, lots and lots of them. So like for example, this one comes in with the Su-30 kit. These are some American pilot figures, but these are in 70-second scale, and these are some tradesmen which I had painted some time back. So I've got a lot of these already painted up, and some of them are really detailed. You can have a look at this as well. Here's another one of the pilot figures. Nice bit of detailing on this as well. Here's another one. I painted it in this test pilot orange overall, and you can see he's got those glasses, but these are really small. If you see, the actual size is lesser than 1/3 of my index finger. So in order to enhance my detailing skills with figures, I wanted something bigger to work with. Here's the kit box, and this is the model kit number 48087. It's a little box, and on this side, if you see, it says 148 scale model kit made in Ukraine, and it gives a barcode. Box contains unassembled plastic model kit. Kit includes 38 parts for assembly of 5 figures. Okay, so taking a look at the other side, and these are the 5 figures, and they show exactly how they should be assembled and positioned. You can see one of them has an arm raised, one of them is noting down something on a kind of a notepad or something. Then there's a pilot holding a helmet, and I think a second pilot as well, and then a third one who's probably fitting a panel onto the aircraft. Okay, so as usual, a top opening box with this glossy artwork. So let me put that aside. So that's the stuff inside. We've got an instruction sheet, just a single page instruction sheet with a sprue map, and I think that's the paint guide there. And then we have this sprue set, so you can see all those 5 figures out there, and I can see some pretty good detailing on this one. At least seems to be a pilot figure, I think, and quite a good detailing, I think. Look at the creases in the trousers, quite a good detailing. And here as well, you can see some pockets and some creases on the trousers. Nice bit of detailing. Let me quickly assemble them, and then we'll paint it and see how the kits are.